Hi there, Frank here for premium members for the trading day of February the 24th, 2026, a Tuesday. Let's review the situations here. So I think on the indexes, this is still on the table. We just need to wait till we get triggered. And again, we discussed the plan in the previous videos, so we're just standing by here. We have a bullish bias as far as I'm concerned anyway. If it breaks down, then we're not going to do anything about it, but if it goes to the upside, then we will be ready to participate. And nothing to do on the currencies right now. We just need to wait. No setups that I'm interested in. And let's move on to CL, however. It's beautifully working with us, beautifully. This is the trade of the week so far. Well, it's only Monday, but let's see what we can do with this. Again, the plan was to take it to 68 and keep a runner to 72, and that's exactly what we're doing. Probably what is a very important lesson that we shared here about 2 videos ago on gold. Remember this entry, and we talked about the 10-to-1 reward risk ratio with the tie stop. This is the lesson of the decade as far as I'm concerned. So check out that video and see how we're doing here on gold. We have a target around 55 and we're tightened. We have already tightened the stop. So this is a no risk-free trade, no risk trade right now. And let's see, we have something beautiful happening on platinum and palladium. Let's look at those guys as well. The 4-hour chart. Well, first of all, look at the setup column. You see 2 long setups. This is where the ideas come from. Platinum, long setup on the 4-hour chart. Well, the daily is similar to gold, so I don't mind the daily in this situation. I'm ready to go with the long setup if we get a trigger. Remember, we must insist on a trigger, otherwise we don't go in. Palladium was the other one. Let's have a quick look. The other long setup, very similar. Look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now, I'm not going to put on the 1 hour yet because I don't know how many candles we're going to get, but look at the daily chart. The daily chart is just ready to burst. And look at these bottom tails. So everything's good for an upside move here. And that's exactly what I'm ready to do if it triggers here. And of course, this is another trade that you can do with ETFs. And the trade might look something like this, just a 1 hour back to the previous pivot. This is how we think about these things. And let's see what else we had here. And then we had, of course, the treasuries, all 3 of them, ZB, Z, and ZF. Whichever you want to trade, take it to the previous pivot. The task has been laid out in the previous video. Go back and check it out if you haven't yet, and be ready to participate if this is within your risk parameters. And ZL, ZW, nothing to do. We're out. We're following these markets for further opportunities. Right now, we're just cleaning up the charts a little bit, so we're ready for perhaps another pullback here in the coming days. Beautiful. So let's get ready for tomorrow morning, and we'll be back soon. Until then, mindful trading.